What if today is the day when everything starts rearranging itself to bring you the change you've been waiting for? Welcome, beautiful soul. Take a slow, gentle breath in and release it. For just a few moments, allow yourself to put down the weight of figuring everything out. You don't need to know what's coming. You don't need all the answers. You only need to be here, breathing, listening, receiving. Maybe today looks completely ordinary. Maybe there are dishes to wash, emails to answer, responsibilities waiting for your attention. But most life-changing days begin looking completely ordinary. The day you receive the message, the day you hear the news, the day something finally clicks inside you, the day you realize a difficult chapter is ending. Those moments rarely announce themselves in advance. They simply arrive. And perhaps, even now, life is quietly arranging something beautiful on your behalf. Take another breath and silently repeat, I am open to possibility. I am open to positive change. I am open to unexpected blessings. Maybe today changes everything. As you settle into this moment, allow your body to soften. Relax your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Allow your breath to flow naturally. Now think of all the things that have happened in your life that you never could have predicted. Friendships that appeared unexpectedly. Opportunities you didn't see coming. Moments that changed your direction forever. Life has always been working behind the scenes in ways you couldn't fully understand. And perhaps it is doing the same right now. While you sleep, while you wait, while you wonder whether anything is changing. Something is always moving. Something is always unfolding. The next chapter of your life may already be closer than you think. And as you breathe, allow yourself to believe this simple possibility. Something good may happen today. Something healing may happen today. Something beautiful may happen today. Not because you force it, not because you chase it, but because life is still full of possibilities. Before we welcome what's coming, let's honor how far you've already come. Take a moment to appreciate yourself, not for being perfect, not for having everything figured out, but for continuing, for showing up, for carrying yourself through challenges that others may never fully understand. There were days you thought you wouldn't get through, yet you got through anyways. There were moments of uncertainty, yet here you are. There were disappointments, heartbreaks, setbacks, yet you survived. Breathing, growing, becoming. Place a hand over your heart and say quietly, "Thank you for my strength. Thank you for my resilience. Thank you for every lesson that helped me grow. Thank you for every blessing already present in my life." Feel gratitude filling the spaces where worry once lived. This next moment is for the part of you that has been waiting for answers, waiting for healing, waiting for a breakthrough, waiting for something to finally change. You may not say it out loud, but your heart knows. There are dreams you still carry. There are hopes that still matter. There are prayers that have not left you. And today, I want you to remember something. The fact that you still hope is beautiful. The fact that you still believe is powerful. The fact that you are here means your story is still unfolding. Nothing is wasted, not your patience, not your kindness, not your effort, not even the waiting. Sometimes what feels like delay is simply preparation. Repeat softly, "I trust the timing of my life. I trust that what is meant for me is on its way. I trust that beautiful things are still ahead." Stay with this feeling for a few breaths. Now imagine yourself standing beneath a warm morning sky. Your hands are open. Your heart is open. And your mind is open. You are no longer gripping tightly to how things must happen. You are allowing life to surprise you. Take a deep breath and repeat, "I am ready to receive. I am ready for positive change. I am ready for opportunities. I am ready for abundance. I am ready for peace. I am ready for joy. I release the need control every outcome. I release the need to know every answer. I trust that life is guiding me forward. Feel those words becoming part of you. Now imagine that wonderful news has already arrived. Don't focus on what it is. Focus on how it feels. The relief, the gratitude, the smile, the sense that something finally worked out. Allow yourself to experience that feeling now. Notice how your body responds. Notice how your heart responds. Feel the warmth of possibility. Feel the excitement of new beginnings. Feel the peace of knowing that life can become better than it is today. And repeat, I welcome good news. I welcome new beginnings. I welcome joyful surprises. I welcome blessings I cannot yet see. I welcome a future filled with possibility. As this feeling of beautiful possibilities seep deep into your being, you do not need certainty to move forward. You do not need proof to remain hopeful. You do not need guarantees to stay open. Sometimes, all you need is the willingness to believe that good things are still possible. Maybe today is the day a door begins to open. Maybe today is the day healing begins. Perhaps today is the day life starts shifting in your favor. Or maybe today is simply the day you decide to trust again. And that alone can change everything. Take one more deep breath and repeat, I welcome this day. I welcome new possibilities. I welcome love. I welcome abundance. I welcome peace. I welcome joy. I welcome whatever blessings are finding their way to me. I am ready. I am open. I am grateful. And maybe, just maybe, today changes everything. Before you leave, place a hand on your heart and say one last time, I am ready to receive. And write that in the comments below as a gentle promise that you will walk into today with an open heart, hopeful mind, and the courage to believe that something beautiful may be closer than you think. And if this meditation resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more such peaceful meditations.